Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be going over this article, basically just like uh, how much money does each Tesla employees make, and this it ranges, okay, and it tells you it's starting about 66,000 and it goes all the way up to over 200,000. And also we're going to talk about which company like finally decided to take advantage of the Tesla Supercharger Network. All right, so let's get started. This one is this article is by thestreet.com, and it says here's how much the salary of a Tesla new hired is in 2023. So apparently the Teslas before this they were laying off employees, and now they're hiring employees. And as you can see right here, currently they have about 130,000 employees, and then they hired like 30,000 this year alone. And according to the data, it shows like 783 of those new hired, and they'll give you a breakdown of how much each make. And here, the salary range for the 783 Tesla hires is large, with the minimum at 66,000 and the maximum at $262,500 per year. The median salary is the database is 140,000, not far from the average of all salaries at 144,000 and $49. About 5% of employees, 39, are making less than six figures, and 53%, 417 to be exact, making about 100,000 but less than 150,000. And 35% are from 150,000 to 199,000, and the 7%, which is 51 employees, are at $200,000 or more. And the lowest paid Tesla employees on this list is an associate computer-aided design planner at 66,000, which is actually 14,000 less than the next lowest paid role on the list. The highest paid role is for a director of software engineering for $262,500. Right here, it gives you like a breakdown of how much these people are making. So if you're in college, or you're about to get out of college looking for a job at Tesla, and if you're in this field, it kind of gives you like a little bit of insight to see if Tesla is a place where you want to work. And it's ranked 66,000, go all the way up 262,000. Okay, so like I mentioned before, and about the Tesla Supercharger Network, off the back, like a couple of videos prior, I mentioned that a lot of companies are joining Tesla, because it's very costly to build your own charging network. So instead, you take advantage of Tesla, which is already well established and far more advanced than any auto manufacturers out there. So the first off was Ford, and they were the first one, and then followed by GM, and then followed by Rivian. Rivian is a really nice car. And then Volvo, and then Polestars. You get like a bunch of, you name it, Mercedes, BMW, Nissans. All of these companies are joining except for one or two. And here's the last one, or so far, or the latest one, I should say, which is the Volkswagen. And they're going to be joining, they're taking advantage of the Tesla Supercharger Network as well. And as you will see, Tesla, they're building more and more and more. So I mentioned before, I'm nearby West Covina, and so far right now they got 3 of them, all right, and each of them about 20 of them, 20 stations. So only maybe twice where when I got there was a little bit congestions, but other than that, like the most of the time it just is empty. And the good thing about Tesla Supercharger is like if you're going to one and if it's congested, they'll give you a heads up, say, hey, you know what, you might want to check out another one because this one is kind of full, or there's going to be waiting, all kind of stuff. And with the last time that I charged my vehicle, if you watch my video, I mentioned that when I charge it all the way up to 80%, and then instead of me unplugging it, I'm just curious. I want to just I move the percentage from 80 to 90%, and the system it wouldn't allow me to do it. It pulled back to 80%, and it tells me that during like the high congested station or chargers, it only max you out at 80%. So in a way, that's good because it gives us other customers, a chance to charge their vehicle when they're really going low. And from 80 to 100, it's probably going to take very, very long times, unlike from maybe 10% to all the way to 80%. And also, if you're going to charge your vehicle, it's always put it in the, precondition it first. And to precondition it, you just hit like the destination, tell it the navigation, say, hey, take me to the nearest supercharger, and then you just click on it, and then it'll precondition. And by the time you get there, it warm up your battery and it charges, and it takes less time to charge. Okay, yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about Tesla, please leave it a comment below. But then take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.